Hey guys, welcome back. So last time we were here, this happened. No! So we got the B24 up today, running with the AX6 transmitter receiver. We've got a 20 amp ESC in there. We've also got the WPL 2-speed underneath there with metal drive shafts. I'll leave all the links in the description below if you want to get yourself some. And yeah, today we're back for vengeance. Redemption is the name of the game today. I'm going to get this little critter to the top of there. So these tracks have just been freshly made. We just had a group of dirt bikers come up here. And fair play, they made that look easy on the dirt bikes. They went up that. Hopefully they will turn and get some footage for you guys. Yeah, awesome. Oh, lucky bud. Oh, lucky buddy. They made it look easy. Let's see if my 20-pound kit can get up there. Lots of loose stones now they've just kicked up. And I can play then a bit more of a challenge with a little B. Let's pick a different line here to the side. Be careful, don't come back down. Fighting for grip. Very loose today. Stuck on a rock there. Not getting any traction down. There we go. Come on, B, to the top. Very loose today. Ah. 2 steps forward, 3 steps back. There we go. There we go. There we go, slow it down, let the tyres do the work. And you're coming over, there's a steep drop to the left. Cut across now all this loose stuff. Tricky old line. Come on, B. Here we go. Just digging holes here. I think if I can get past this bit, I'm up. 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. Nobody gets too far like that. Not a success today. I will come back, I'll try some different tyres, maybe get some redemption with that hill. It's very loose and very steep today. I'm going to try and conquer the gravel pile instead. Leave you with some pride at least. Low and slow. Nice and slow down the other side here. Look at that motor brake there. Holding on very well. Another steep bit. And B36 right-run tyres working extremely hard here. Really hard, just putting enough grip down to get me up. Come on, B. The wheel speed, no. There we go. There we go. Steady as she goes. All the way, B. Oh no, sliding down. To the top, come on. Oh, come on. You want to be going backwards. Yes, B. So overall, I'm very impressed. I didn't quite get redemption today on that hill. It was very loose, but we did conquer the gravel pile, so there's something to walk away with. Now I'm going to pop it into second gear and head home. Cheers for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.